Hello students, welcome to the ninth mathematics number system. The study of the number system is very important. After the digits, the number how it is constructed. The numbers are nothing but the set of the digits. It may be the single or multiples are called as a number. The systematic study of the numbers is called as a number system. We have to discuss about the types of the number system one by one. The first type of the number system is a natural number. Counting numbers are called as a natural number. Students, if I said count the marbles, count the number of friends, count the number of bags, count the number of shoes, then how you are counting? Start with one only, no? That's why 1 is the smallest natural number, and the largest natural number is what? Is any of the students will say? Yes, you are right. We can't say this one is which is the largest one natural number, because uncountable number of numbers are there. That's why infinite is the largest one. Understood? This is a natural number set. This natural number set is denoted by English capital letter N. The set N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Do you know, students? The natural number set is a smallest number set and smallest number system. Which is the smallest number system? Yes, you are right. The natural number system is a smallest one. Write on this one note. Okay students, a natural number is classified into two categories. Okay, one of the category is, or one of the kind is, one of the type of the natural number is even natural number. The even natural number is nothing but the number which is divisible by 2, or it is general notation is in the form of 2n, are called even natural number. For example, can we say? Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, dash, so on. The second type of the natural number type is odd natural number. The number which is not divisible by 2, or its general notation is not in the form of 2n, are called odd natural numbers. For example, yes, student, can you say odd natural numbers what are there? Yes, you are right. 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Hello students, the second type of the number system is whole number system. Okay, write down. All counting numbers including 0 are called as whole number. 0 is the smallest and the first whole number. The whole number set is represented by English capital letter W. The set W is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, so on. Read down the students this one. The third type of the number system is integers. All the positive and negative natural numbers including 0 are called as integers. Minus infinity is the smallest integer and positive infinite is the largest integers. The set of integer is denoted by I or Z. Set Z is equals to dash, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, dash, so on. Students, in the integer set there are two types. One is a positive integer, one is a negative integers. We have to discuss about that one. Now the first kind, positive integer. The set of the positive integer is denoted by capital Z. Capital Z is equals to plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, so on. In another way, we have to say that means these are all the natural numbers. Positive natural numbers are positive integers. The second type of the integer is negative integers. The set of the negative integer is denoted by z of minus. Z minus is equals to -1, -2, -3, dash dash dash, so on. Students, very important note you write down. 0 is not belongs to in the positive integer set and negative integer set. Write neatly. Okay. Okay, students, write down the fourth type of the number system, rational number. Right? Rational numbers. The number which is possible to express in the form of p by q are called as rational numbers, where p and q are any integers, but the very important condition is q is always greater than 0. The rational numbers are terminating or recurring decimal expansion. The meaning of recurring is repeating decimal numbers. Okay, students, write down the example of the rational numbers. The first one, 1.25, 3.567 are the terminating decimal numbers. The second one is 35.25666 is the example for repeating or recurring decimal expansion. 7.828282 dash dash dash, so on is also example for repeating or recurring decimal expansion. Okay, students, write down this one type of number system. Okay, students, write more examples of recurring decimal expansion and terminating. Rational number set is represented by English capital letter Q. All fractions are rational numbers. Especially the pi is an irrational number. Its rational form is 22/7. Students, important note write down. There is no number having both rational as well as irrational. Students, write down the example for the rational number. Many 3/2, 2/7, x/y. The fifth type of the number system is irrational numbers. The irrational number means what? We have to discuss about that concept. The number which is not possible to express in the form of p by q are called irrational numbers. The irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-recurring decimal expansions. √3, √11, √156, pi are the example for the irrational number. The set of irrational number is represented by IR. The next number system is the real numbers. The real number set, it is the biggest number system among the number system. The definition of the real number is a set of rational and irrational numbers together are called as real numbers. All the numbers which we use are real numbers. The set of real numbers is represented by capital R, real numbers. Start from the journey of the number system, natural number, and the second whole number, next integers, their next integers, and next rational, and their next is a irrational number. See the students, in the figure, rational numbers and irrational number set figure is different. Irrational is a separate from the rational. Natural number is a subset of whole number. Whole number is a subset of integer. Integer is a subset of a rational number. Rational number is subset of real number. And irrational is also subset of real numbers. Okay. The real number is nothing but universal set of rational and irrational number system. Okay. It is a complete study of number system. Okay, students. Thank you students for watching this video. Like and subscribe this video.